free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy. Niggas move so ways. Please come outside that house.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selena. For those of you who don't know, for those of you who do know, welcome back. How you doing? I did come up with this 420 inspired green feel look. Yeah, I love it. I'm obsessed. I love everything with color, so I really hope that you guys enjoy it too. Before the video starts, like and stop right now, subscribe first, like the video, you know, watch the video first, but then like it. But right now I want you to stop and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. Sit tight, grab a snack, get something to get comfortable, because we about to get real cute real quick. I know y'all see this pimple. I know that y'all see this juicy ass pimple. Look at this. I wasn't gonna record this video just because I had a pimple. Selena's here. Check. Pimple is here. Check. So today, guys, I'm gonna be playing with some new stuff that I haven't played with yet. Some expensive stuff. And then I also want to do a colorful tutorial. Like I want to do a green 420 kind of thing. So this is going to be a 420 tutorial. Sometimes I use the MAC paint pot. Sometimes I use the eye primer. For real. Concealer does the same thing. And my eyelids have like veins everywhere. So using concealer definitely does make a difference for me because it covers up all the like real dark lines that I have. And I'm not naked, by the way, guys. I have like this green shirt on. But you know, I'm trying to be cute for the video or whatever. So today I'm gonna be using more of like a $20 round-ish. It's from Crown Brushes. It's just a regular color palette. When I want to do color type of things, I use just like palettes that look like this because these are just so much more easy to use when you're using color. I'm really gonna mess with the greens today. I want to do, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be taking this peach color and I'm gonna put it in my crease right here. Next, I'm gonna be taking this color right here. It doesn't have any names, it's just colors. So I'm gonna be taking this color right here and I'm gonna be adding it on top of that peach color. Now that I got that in there, my next color that I'm gonna take will be these green right here. I'm gonna take this one and do the same thing. I'm gonna take wherever I put the lighter green, I'm gonna put that darker green just right on top of it to build up the color. And I'm still using that same BH brush. When I do looks like these that the colors are just interchangeable, I just use the same blending brush because it's just easier for me. I'm gonna take a smaller brush that is a little more like just, I don't know. It's small like here at the top, so it's easy for me to get a little above the crease line. I'm just going back in with that peach color, this color right here. Trying to soften up the edges on the side. I will now be taking my Y15. It's just a fluffy blender brush, and I'm gonna use the darker color, these color right here. I'm gonna take my Shape Tape in light medium. I'm going to put a little bit on my end like these, like that, because I don't really use the whole thing. I just use like a little bit, like a little, you know, because then you waste product like that. I don't know about y'all, but I'm broke. So I'm taking just a regular concealer brush that looks like this, and I'm gonna cut my lid. So I'm gonna try not to bend down too much so you guys can see, but if I do, that's why, okay? So accept me. Pull out a little bit. I'm gonna be using my NYX Pigment Primer. I saw this beauty guru that I follow use this. She said it was good. I'm gonna buy it. I'm just taking a little bit of that primer. Look, I put a little bit on my hand just like that, and I'm just dabbing it in there, and I'm gonna put it right across where I put that concealer at. I'm kind of patting it in as opposed to rubbing, because then you get the concealer everywhere, and I kind of don't want that. You know what I mean? Next, I will be taking my star of the show for today, which is these Diamond Dazzlers by BH Cosmetics. Is I'm also gonna take BH Cosmetics with this release of these Diamond Dazzlers also released like silicone paddles that are easier to maneuver product, and I definitely recommend to buy these if you're a person who uses pigment and like glitter a lot. I think this is an excellent tool, BH. You did that. Take the paddle and just dip in there like that. It's gonna look like that on the brush, and then I'm gonna just take the little the tip, and just, oh my god, you see that? Son. That is incredible. Like, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking that darker green color, this one, and I'm just gonna blend out at the top of like where I placed the pigment. And let me tell you guys something. This pigment is because it's pigment, when you pool with another color, it just turns into pigment. It doesn't mess up the whole for you effect that the eye has. Like, I'm in awe right now. I think this stuff is so bomb. So now that we got that down, I'm gonna do one of these eyes on camera. I'm doing one off camera because I need to charge my camera just a little bit. Remember I told you guys I have the full size and the travel size, but today I'm gonna be using my Benefits They're Real mascara. But next I will be taking my Color J Glam lashes in the style Naomi. Look how beautiful, guys. These lashes were my, let me fix that. They are my absolute favorite. So first, I'm gonna start off with my Tatcha water cream for skin prep. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know I love this stuff. Just to use going on, or whatever. I just put a little bit here, spread them around. Going in with my No Problem primer. Mama's getting real bougie, okay? I mean, y'all know I love Tatcha already, but I finally paid and bought the Silk primer that everybody's been talking about. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my god. It's like 50 bucks. Tatcha's products are amazing, so I already know that I'm gonna like this. So it says that we're gonna take it like this, and then take this little scooper and just, I feel like that's so much. Boom. Oh, the little scoopy thing is good. Remember my little cocktail I did last time? I still want my skin to be really glowy, so I'm gonna still take my Sephora drops. These are actually $8 right now in Sephora. They're not normally $8. They're usually like 12 or 14, but right now for whatever reason they're 8. And then I'm also gonna be taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 322, and I'm just gonna. For my harder to reach areas, like the part of my face where I have hair and I don't want to mess it up, I usually use my Y10. I love this brush, but I'm not gonna hold ya, it be breaking on me sometimes, but I love it. Look, and it's really soft. It's easy to put in between, look, like right there, and spread the foundation for you. I like to pat. I also use this to blend out my concealer. I love this brush. I just wish it was a little more durable. Like, dime, Morphe, ustedes se está pasando con estos cepillos. Yeah, they're cheap, but like, come on, you know? And by the way, the foundation went on beautifully with that primer. Alright, so now that we got the foundation down, next we will be taking my Conceal and Define Concealer by Makeup Revolution. The best part about this full coverage concealer is that it's $7. Yeah, $7, sis. $7. Like, it's nothing. And they sell it at Ulta. They have a huge shade range, and they are very friendly for my morenitas. You know what I mean? Like, my melanin popping girls, y'all be needing concealer and shit too, so they definitely have that in your shade range. I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Fit Me in Cafe. You guys know how I feel about these. Last time you guys were like asking me what was the spray that you put on in between. It's just Fix Plus. It's MAC Fix Plus. It's very standard to have as far as like makeup goes. So, you know, get you some Fix Plus. $23. Best thing that you could ever use, ever. Excuse me. Oof, you see that? Do you see that? Boy! Perfect. And look at my pimple. Not there! Today I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just going to mimic everything that I did in the top area of my eyes right at the bottom. So I'm going to take a smaller brush. I'm going to take that light green. This one. And I'm just gonna sweep it under my eye. Next, I will be taking my ABH bronzer in Cappuccino. Another ABH product, I'm gonna be taking my blush Trio in Peachy Love. You guys know my Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in Illuminati. Before you guys put your highlight on, always spray. Even if you're not setting your face fully yet, spray before you put it in your highlight because you want it to like snag onto something. So I'm gonna spray myself again because my powder is super powdery right now. Right here, and look at that. Oh my god, wow. I'm gonna take my Cork lip liner by MAC. You guys already know I use this all the time. I'm gonna take my MAC Peach Stock lipstick. Ooh. Y'all know I never stop at lipstick. I'm also gonna be taking my MAC Goldfinch. This is a oldie but a goodie. It's just like a gloss with gold. Yeah, look how cute my nails look. The last thing that I wanted to use today that was a new product was MAC came out with the spray hands, like glow in it. Oh, do y'all see? Nah, wow. I'm in my prime Optimus. I'm about to be on my naked shit right now.
The court fully drenched. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched. Style doing them in this.
Okay, well, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think that I loved it. This tutorial was completely inspired just by, you know, 420 being this weekend, and I don't know, I love green. I think green looks good. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Sorry, I just keep looking at myself because you ever look at yourself and just be like, bitch, what the fuck? I need you to hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you guys can know when I'm putting up a new video so you don't miss anything. Is there anything else I gotta say? I don't think so, so I'm gonna shut up. Bye!
Fully drenched. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched. Style doing them in this Burberry trench. Bitch, you been off. Laura Bancroft. PlayStation Lee, drop the Benz off.
I'm gonna be taking my ABH bronzer in Cappuccino. Oh shit.
Ding dong, King Kong. Yes, I'm King Kong. This is King Kong. Yes, Miss King Kong.